Eating at home has become a powerful way to save money and stay healthy. Preparing your meals allows you to make choices that suit your budget while avoiding the hidden costs of dining out or buying prepackaged foods. It's not just about the money, though. It's also about the control you have over what goes into your body. With simple ingredients and a little effort, you can create meals and snacks that are more nutritious and cost-effective than their store-bought counterparts. Research from the Johns Hopkins Bloomberg School of Public Health highlights the benefits of home cooking. People who cook most of their meals at home consume fewer calories and make healthier food choices. Those who prepared meals 6 to 7 nights a week averaged 2,164 calories daily, compared to 2,301 calories for individuals who cooked only once a week. The study reinforces the idea that cooking at home isn't just better for your wallet, it's also better for your long-term health. This video focuses on 25 foods that are both cheaper and healthier when made at home. Each item includes a simple cost breakdown, health benefits, and an easy tip to help you get started. Check out the full details by visiting the link in the description. Number 1. Bread. Making bread at home is a simple way to save money while enjoying a fresher, healthier product. A homemade loaf can cost as little as 50 cents to $1 compared to $3 to $5 for store-bought artisan bread. Freshly baked bread is free from preservatives and allows you to reduce sodium or incorporate whole grains. It's also incredibly versatile. You can use the same dough to create rolls or flatbreads. For convenience, try a no-knead recipe that minimizes hands-on time and delivers great results. Number 2. Granola. Homemade granola is a cost-effective and healthier alternative to the pricey store-bought versions, which can cost $5 to $10 per bag. You can make a batch for just $2, using ingredients like oats, nuts, and dried fruit. This option avoids the added sugar and unhealthy oils commonly found in commercial brands. Homemade granola is perfect for breakfast, snacks, or a topping for yogurt. Store it in an airtight container to keep it fresh for weeks. Number 3. Cookies. Baking cookies at home is fun, budget-friendly, and healthier than buying prepackaged options. A batch of homemade cookies costs $3 to $5, while premium brands can go up to $10. Making them yourself allows you to reduce sugar and avoid additives like hydrogenated oils. You can also experiment with whole wheat flour or add nuts for extra nutrition. Freeze the dough in small portions so you can bake fresh cookies anytime. Number 4. Tortilla chips. Transforming leftover tortillas into crispy chips is an easy way to save money and enjoy a healthier snack. Homemade chips cost about 50 cents to $1 per batch, while store-bought options can range from $4 to $6. Baking them instead of frying cuts down on unhealthy fats while keeping the crunch you love. You can season them with a sprinkle of salt, paprika, or even lime juice. Use this method to reduce food waste and create a satisfying snack in minutes. Number 5. Coffee creamer. Homemade coffee creamer is a simple way to save money and avoid artificial ingredients. A homemade version costs about 50 cents per cup, while branded creamers can run $3 or more. You can make it with milk, cream, and natural flavorings like vanilla extract or cinnamon. This ensures your coffee stays free of hydrogenated oils and artificial sweeteners. Keep it in a sealed container in the fridge, and it'll stay fresh for up to a week. Number 6. Salad dressing. Whipping up your own salad dressing is fast, affordable, and much healthier than buying bottled versions. A basic vinaigrette costs around $1 to $2 per batch, compared to $3 to $5 at the store. Homemade dressings let you avoid added sugars, preservatives, and unhealthy oils. Olive oil, vinegar, and a pinch of seasoning create a flavorful dressing in seconds. Make small batches to keep it fresh and experiment with herbs for variety. Number 7. Nut milk, almond, oat, etc. Homemade nut milk is an inexpensive and pure alternative to store-bought varieties, which can cost $3 to $5 per quart. You can make it for about $1 using just nuts or oats and water. Without additives like gums or sweeteners, it's a healthier choice for drinking or adding to recipes. The process is straightforward: blend, strain, and enjoy. Save the leftover pulp for baking or smoothies to eliminate waste. Number 8. Hummus. Making hummus at home gives you a flavorful, nutritious dip for a fraction of the cost. A homemade batch costs $2 to $3, while store-bought containers can run $5 to $7. Freshly made hummus contains fewer preservatives and lets you control the salt and oil content. Chickpeas, tahini, lemon juice, and garlic are all you need to get started. Store it in the fridge for up to a week as a versatile snack or spread. Number 9. Pizza dough. Homemade pizza dough is both affordable and customizable, costing just $1 per batch compared to $4 to $6 for store-bought dough. Making it yourself lets you use whole wheat flour or other healthy alternatives. The result is a base that's fresher and free from preservatives. Pizza night becomes more fun when you can shape and top your dough exactly how you like it. Store extra dough in the freezer for a quick and easy meal later. Number 10. Pasta sauce. Homemade pasta sauce is a cost-saving option that's full of flavor and free from unnecessary ingredients. A homemade batch costs about $1 to $2 per jar, compared to $4 to $7 for prepackaged sauce. Using fresh tomatoes, garlic, and herbs gives you a healthier product with no added sugars. You can adjust the seasoning to your preference and even add vegetables for extra nutrition. Make a large batch and freeze portions to have on hand for busy nights. Number 11. Broth, vegetable or bone. Homemade broth is a frugal and healthier alternative to store-bought cartons, which often cost $3 to $5 per quart. Making your own costs less than $1 using kitchen scraps like vegetable peels, herbs, and leftover bones. Unlike store-bought options, homemade broth is free of excess sodium and artificial flavors. It's a rich base for soups, stews, and sauces, packed with nutrients like collagen and minerals. Freeze in small portions to have a convenient stock ready when needed. Number 12. Pasta. Fresh pasta is a simple and affordable upgrade from the dried versions at the store. A batch of homemade pasta costs about $1 to $2, whereas artisanal fresh pasta can cost $5 or more per pound. Using just flour and eggs, you can create a softer, more flavorful pasta with no preservatives. Making it yourself also allows for endless customization, from spinach-infused dough to gluten-free alternatives. Roll it out and freeze extra portions for future meals. Number 13. Mashed potatoes. Homemade mashed potatoes are fresher, healthier, and more affordable than boxed instant varieties. A batch costs about $2, compared to $5 to $7 for prepared options. Real potatoes provide fiber, vitamins, and potassium without the artificial flavors found in many instant mixes. You can enhance the taste with a touch of garlic, olive oil, or fresh herbs. To save time, peel and boil a larger batch, then freeze portions for quick reheating. Number 14. Pizza sauce. Making pizza sauce at home is easy and economical, with costs as low as $1 per batch compared to $4 to $6 for store brands. Fresh tomatoes, garlic, and herbs create a robust flavor without added sugars or preservatives. Homemade sauce allows you to control the seasoning and adjust the thickness for your needs. It pairs perfectly with homemade dough for a healthier pizza experience. Store extra sauce in the freezer to ensure you always have some on hand. Number 15. Pancake mix. Preparing pancake mix at home saves money and eliminates the additives found in boxed versions. A batch costs about 50 cents compared to $3 to $5 for store-bought mixes. Using simple ingredients like flour, baking powder, and a pinch of salt ensures a fresher and healthier start to your day. You can adjust the recipe to include whole grains or reduce sugar. Store the mix in a jar, ready for a quick breakfast anytime. Number 16. Salsa. Fresh salsa is a cost-effective way to enjoy a healthier, preservative-free version of the jarred kind. Making it at home costs about $2 compared to $4 to $6 for store-bought options. Fresh ingredients like tomatoes, onions, cilantro, and lime juice create a vibrant flavor without excess sodium or sugars. You can adjust the spice level to suit your taste. Store it in the fridge for up to a week as a versatile topping or dip. Number 17. Peanut butter. Homemade peanut butter is simple to make, healthier and cheaper than many store brands. A jar costs around $2 to $3 to make compared to $5 or more for natural options. Freshly ground peanuts deliver a pure, creamy spread without added sugar, oils, or preservatives. You can experiment with different textures or mix in honey for a touch of sweetness. Store in an airtight container to keep it fresh for weeks. Number 18. Popcorn. Making popcorn at home is a budget-friendly snack that costs pennies per serving, compared to $3 to $5 for prepackaged microwave bags. Freshly popped kernels avoid artificial flavorings and unhealthy fats. You can control the seasoning, adding just a pinch of salt or a sprinkle of nutritional yeast for extra flavor. It's a healthy, whole-grain option that satisfies cravings without empty calories. Use an air popper or stovetop method for the best results. Number 19. Smoothies. Homemade smoothies are a healthier and more affordable way to enjoy a nutritious drink. A serving costs about $2 compared to $5 to $8 at smoothie bars. Blending fresh fruits, vegetables, and yogurt gives you a nutrient-packed beverage without added sugars or artificial ingredients. You can customize the flavor and adjust the consistency to your liking. Freeze fruit in advance to create thick, creamy smoothies without watering them down. Number 20. Iced tea. Brewed iced tea is a refreshing and economical drink to make at home, costing about 10 cents to 20 cents per serving compared to $2 to $3 for bottled versions. Using real tea leaves or bags ensures a pure taste without excessive sugar or preservatives. You can add natural flavorings like lemon slices or mint for variety. Brew a large batch and keep it chilled for a healthy, hydrating beverage throughout the week. Number 21. Ice cream. Homemade ice cream is a fun and cost-saving treat, costing about $3 to $5 per batch compared to $5 to $8 for premium brands. Fresh ingredients like cream, milk, and natural sweeteners allow you to create a rich, preservative-free dessert. You can experiment with flavors, from classic vanilla to fruit-infused varieties. Investing in an ice cream maker makes the process easier, but no-churn recipes work just as well. Store your creation in a freezer-safe container to enjoy anytime. Number 22. Jam or fruit preserves. Making jam at home is a budget-friendly way to enjoy seasonal fruit all year long. A jar costs about $2 to $3, while store-bought options range from $4 to $6. Freshly made jam is free from artificial preservatives and often contains less sugar. Use ripe fruits like strawberries, blueberries, or peaches for a burst of natural sweetness. Seal the jars properly, and they can last for months in your pantry. Number 23. Pickles. Homemade pickles are a cost-effective and healthier alternative to store-bought jars, which can cost $4 to $6 each. Making them at home costs about $1 to $2 per batch, using cucumbers, vinegar, and simple seasonings. Freshly made pickles avoid artificial preservatives and allow you to control the salt content. You can experiment with flavors, adding garlic, dill, or chili flakes to suit your taste. Store them in the fridge for a crunchy snack or sandwich topping. Number 24. Spice mixes. Creating spice mixes at home is a budget-friendly way to enhance your meals while avoiding unnecessary additives. A batch costs $1 to $2, compared to $4 to $6 for prepackaged blends. Mixing spices like paprika, cumin, and garlic powder lets you tailor flavors to your preference. Homemade blends are free of fillers and excessive salt, making them a healthier choice. Store them in airtight containers to keep them fresh and ready for use. Number 25. Sushi rolls. Homemade sushi rolls are a fresher, more affordable way to enjoy this delicacy, costing around $2 to $4 per roll compared to $8 to $12 at restaurants. Using simple ingredients like rice, nori, and fresh vegetables or seafood lets you customize the fillings and reduce sodium often found in store-bought versions. Making sushi at home also ensures the fish is fresh and safe. Invest in a bamboo mat for easy rolling and enjoy restaurant-quality sushi without the price tag. Save money and eat healthier at home. Preparing these 25 foods at home not only saves you money, but also ensures better nutrition and freshness in every bite. With fewer additives and full control over ingredients, you can create meals and snacks tailored to your preferences and health goals. Small changes like making your own bread, yogurt, or broth can add up to significant savings over time. It's also an opportunity to reduce waste and enjoy the satisfaction of creating something wholesome. These simple swaps can transform your kitchen into a hub of creativity and wellness. Start with 1 or 2 items, and soon, healthier and more cost-effective eating will become second nature. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget the link in the description.